Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix sign out is not available due to restrictions. So guys, if you are trying to sign out your Apple ID on your iPhone and you are facing this problem while you try to sign out your Apple ID in your iPhone, here I will show you how can you still sign out your Apple ID if you are also facing this problem. So guys, for that, simply go back to your settings, and from here scroll it below and tap on screen time, and again scroll it below and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Tap on this, and from here you have to simply turn this toggle off. So as turn this toggle off and enter your screen time passcode, and after this go back, and from here you have to simply change screen time passcode. So I tap on this, and after this you have to simply turn off screen time passcode from here. So I tap on this again, enter the screen time passcode, and after this go back, and from here tap on your Apple ID, tap on your profile, scroll it below and refresh the page, and after this you can see this, you can easily sign out your Apple ID on your iPhone. So guys, enter the Apple ID password and tap on turn off, and after this your Apple ID will be signed off. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.